Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Take 2 chicken breasts. Cut each one lengthwise into 3 pieces. This helps them cook evenly and gives us the perfect size for rolling. I always love working with chicken breasts because they're so versatile and can take on so many flavors. Today, we're going to make a simple yet delicious dinner that's perfect for any night of the week. It's a family-friendly dish that everyone will love. Friends, I always enjoy knowing where you're from. Please share your city and country. And if you're in the US, let me know your state. If you have any questions about the recipe, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as I can. Now, cover them with plastic wrap. This step helps keep the mess contained while we tenderize the chicken. Grab a meat mallet or rolling pin and gently pound each piece of chicken to tenderize it. You only need to pound it on one side at first. This makes it easier to roll later on and also helps make the chicken juicy when it's cooked. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, a like would be much appreciated. It's the best way to support me. Once you've tenderized one side, sprinkle some salt and pepper on that side to season it. I like to season my food as I go because it helps layer the flavors beautifully. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It adds so much depth to the dish. Now, flip the chicken over and repeat the process on the other side. Pound it gently, making sure the chicken is evenly tenderized on both sides. Then sprinkle some more salt and pepper on this side. This ensures that both sides of the chicken are well seasoned and ready for the delicious fillings we're going to add later. Now, take a few slices of ham, cut them in half. The ham gives a beautiful richness to the chicken, just like those comfort foods that make you feel like you're wrapped in a warm hug. Lay 2 pieces of ham on each chicken piece. This adds a savory, salty layer that pairs perfectly with the sweetness we're about to add. Next, take a few canned pineapple rings. Cut them in half. Then slice them into half moons. The sweet, tangy pineapple really brightens up the chicken. It's one of my favorite combinations. Lay a pineapple piece on top of the ham. Now carefully roll up each chicken piece with the ham and pineapple inside. You can secure them with toothpicks or kitchen twine. This is where the magic happens. Once they're all rolled up, they're ready for their crispy bacon blanket. Take a pack of bacon and wrap each chicken roll in a slice of bacon. This adds that perfect crispy, savory touch and helps lock in all the flavors. Plus, who doesn't love bacon? The smell of sizzling bacon is just irresistible. It reminds me of mornings when my mom would cook bacon in the kitchen, and the whole house would smell so warm and inviting. Bacon truly has a way of making everything feel a little more special, don't you think? Friends, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more recipes like this. Now, take a baking dish, grease it lightly with olive oil. You can use a paper towel to spread the olive oil evenly, or just use a brush. Once greased, place the chicken rolls into the dish. Bake them in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. While the chicken is baking, let's cook the pasta. Fill a pot with water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it well. Once boiling, add half a pound or 250 grams of pasta. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Next, in a bowl, add some arugula. Now, cut 12 to 15 cherry tomatoes in half. These tomatoes are so sweet and juicy, and they add a wonderful burst of flavor to the salad. They remind me of summer picnics with family, picking tomatoes straight from the garden. Add them to the bowl with arugula. Then take 1 cucumber, peel it. It's not just crunchy and refreshing, but also packed with water, helping to keep you hydrated. Cut into thin rings. It adds a nice crisp texture to the salad. Cucumber is low in calories, making it a great choice if you're aiming for a light and healthy meal. And let's not forget, it's full of antioxidants, which are wonderful for your skin and overall health. After slicing, add the cucumber to the bowl. Next, take half of a bell pepper and slice it. Bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C, which helps keep your immune system strong and your skin looking fresh. They also provide fiber and antioxidants, which support heart health and overall vitality. Once sliced, add the bell pepper to the bowl, bringing a pop of color and flavor to your salad. Now let's work on the red onion. Slice half of it into thin strips. Red onions bring a lovely mild sweetness to the dish, and they're also packed with antioxidants. They help keep your immune system strong and support heart health, just like bell peppers. After slicing, add the red onion to the bowl as well. Now, add 2 tablespoons of Philadelphia cream cheese to the bowl. For the dressing, in a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Stir it all together until well combined. The mustard adds a little tang and ties all the flavors together so beautifully. Pour the dressing over the salad and gently toss everything together. The freshness of the veggies and the tangy dressing will perfectly complement the richness of the chicken and pasta. When our pasta is ready, drain the water off it. Then add a quarter stick, or about 30 grams of butter, to the hot pasta. Grate 6 ounces, or 180 grams of soft cheese. As we grate the soft cheese, I always think back to those family dinners when we'd gather around the table, and someone would always be grating cheese with so much love. It adds such a comforting, creamy texture to the pasta that's just unbeatable. Add half of it to the pasta. This makes the pasta so creamy and flavorful. Then, grate 2 ounces or 60 grams of Parmesan cheese. The nutty, salty flavor of Parmesan really elevates the dish. It's one of those cheeses that reminds me of special occasions, whether it was for a holiday meal or just a cozy Sunday dinner with the family. Plus, it's packed with calcium and helps strengthen your bones. So we get a little bit of health with all that deliciousness. Add it to the pasta. Mix all the ingredients very well. Now, take the chicken rolls out of the oven. They should be golden brown and crisped to perfection. Sprinkle the remaining cheese over the top of the chicken rolls. Then return the dish to the oven for an additional 10 minutes. Once the chicken is ready, take it out of the oven. The combination of flavors here is just incredible. The juicy chicken with the savory ham and sweet pineapple, the creamy pasta, and the fresh, vibrant salad. Serve the chicken alongside the creamy pasta and fresh salad. This meal is light, flavorful, and satisfying. Everything you want for a family dinner. The crispy bacon on the chicken gives it that perfect crunch, while the pasta brings comfort, and the salad adds a fresh touch. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking!